The key to likability is being the fun, energetic type, right? Nope! More correctly, likable people create impact. As someone who previously struggled with making an impact, we'll dissect an experience I had, what I learned, plus the science behind it, and the 2 habits I stole from Ryan Gosling to build easy likability.
It is everywhere.
So my friends and I were having a conversation about the meaning of life. Okay, not exactly, but we were chatting, and one of my friends noticed that I hadn't spoken in a while. They asked, "Are you okay?" As if silence was somehow a form of pain or a sign of disinterest. Be a storyteller. If you ever find yourself blending into the background of conversations, like I did there, one of the most efficient and effective methods to have maximum impact on a conversation is to focus on storytelling. Strong storytelling is directly linked to the feel-good brain chemical oxytocin. Why do you think that most entertainment mediums are based on storytelling? Character-driven stories with emotional weight have been scientifically measured to resonate strongly with audiences. Steal these 2 storytelling techniques from Ryan. Use evocative language. Pay attention to how Ryan paints the imagery when talking about director Guillermo del Toro's Man Cave.
Cabinet of Curiosities.
Cabinet of
It's
Curiosities.
a museum of the macabre. It's like his house is built on some kind of bedrock of dark magic, and anything is possible in this house. There's even a room where it rains all the time, and everything comes to life and follows you around and watches you, and it's pretty magical, and everything seems possible. So when you're sitting there with Guillermo and you're pitching him, I felt like the wizard had given me my sword and my shield.
Check out this imagery he conveys about a lost dog that causes a mess at an expensive hotel that Ryan stayed at.
There's a strict no dogs policy, and then I was going to work one morning, and there's a little dog, it's below 0, and I thought, oh, what harm can it do?
So Ryan is visually and evocatively setting the scene, right? It's very cold outside, and there's this cute, in need of help, harmless dog.
I let it in the house. When I came back from work, it was like a fecal Jackson Pollock. It was everywhere. You know what I mean? It was like, did he have help? I was like looking up, like, did he get a ladder? How is he still alive? You know?
Use body language integrally. Ryan heavily incorporates body language into nearly all his stories, providing those stories with a more energetic, visually dynamic dimension. Imagine how much less effective this next clip would be without the use of body language.
My youngest has a real power move where she'll here's an example. We got to work in France, and so we went to the Louvre, and we saw, Winged Victory, we saw Venus de Milo, and we're standing in front of the Mona Lisa, and she turns around and she goes, "This museum?"
The whole punchline is body language, right?
And I said,
I
said, why?
Yeah.
And she went, because it is not good.
Yeah.
And then the real power move is sometimes she'll turn around and she'll just go. The thumbs down, walk away.
Ryan's storytelling techniques can boost your likability quickly. But there's another habit that Ryan does that's even more powerful conversationally. Check out this video and see how to create impact on nearly every question asked.